Hello lovely people, welcome back to the online cook channel. Today we are cooking African pear. This fruit is a delicious seasonal fruit enjoyed between April to September every year when it is in season. It is known as African pear because it is a native of Africa, especially West Africa and Central Africa. It is also known by different names such as ube, bush pear, and many more, depending on the areas in Africa where it is eaten. The first step when cooking this delicious fruit is to clean. Cleaning process is very simple and straightforward. As can be seen in the video, pour some water into a bowl, wash the pear in the water with your hands, and do this at least twice. Now it's time to cook the pear. While I proceed with the cooking, I'll also like to let you know that there are several benefits to this fruit which I'll be sharing as this video continues. To cook African pear, pour some water into a pot, add 1 tablespoon salt or more depending on the quantity you are cooking. Cover the pot and allow the water to boil very well. While the water is boiling, I like to let you know that this fruit has high protein content. It is also a great source of healthy fat, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, zinc, magnesium, folate, and sodium. To cook this pear, I'll simply put everything inside the boiling water. By the way, the heat has been turned off completely, and I'll allow it to sit in the pot of hot water for 15 minutes. I'll let the heat and the steam cook the pears properly, and voila, African pear is ready to be enjoyed. One significant change is the change in color. The color changes from deep purple to light purple, or perhaps lilac in color. I'll put everything in a bowl and then I'd like to show you exactly what it looks like. Also, I like to let you know that the purple skin is eaten while the seed is discarded. So this purple seed's skin is consumed, but that seed, that brown seed in the middle, is discarded, so do not eat it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.